So let us see what is germination of seeds now. Okay, so now we all know that plant produces many seeds. Okay, plant produces many seeds, but do all the seeds grow into new plants? No, all seeds do not grow into new plants. There are only few seeds that grow into a plant, and that grows into a plant by a process called germination. Okay, so germination is a process in which seed produces a baby plant, which is the embryo or a seedling, which is also known as a seedling, in the presence of air, water and warmth. Okay, so not all seeds are able to germinate, not all seeds produce new plant, not all seeds grow into new plants. Only few seeds which are able to produce a baby plant or a seedling in the presence of air, moisture and warmth. Okay, so the process is known as germination. Now, for the process of germination, not only air, moisture and warmth is required, but there should also be proper space between the seeds. Okay, so there should be proper space for the seeds. They should be free to grow. There should be space. They also need proper space. If the seeds are sown too close, if they are very close to each other, they will not be able to grow. Okay, so we'll see here in the figure. Okay, so can you see there in the figure, right? There's a seed. Then if the seed is able to produce, okay, a baby plant, that is an embryo, if it produces an embryo, then that embryo will grow into a plant. Can you see the stages? The root coming out, then the seed coming out, then the cotyledons, okay, and then finally the foliage leaves, okay, with the root and the shoot system. So in this way the seed needs to produce, okay, a baby plant or an embryo in the presence of air, moisture and warmth with proper space. Only then it will grow into a new plant.